Dubai, like many cities across the Middle East, is deeply rooted in Islamic law and Sharia. However, what sets Dubai apart is its unique blend of tradition and modernity, making it the most westernized city in the region by far. Here, the tension between Arab and Islamic traditions and a modern, cosmopolitan lifestyle is evident, creating a fascinating cultural dynamic. So, what does this mean for the city? In its quest to enhance its global image, Dubai has implemented a series of legal reforms, signaling a shift towards greater openness. These changes include easing restrictions on alcohol consumption and lifting penalties for unmarried couples living together. These moves reflect Dubai's desire to attract a broader international audience while still respecting its cultural roots. Dubai's glamorous exterior hides a shadowy underworld, particularly when it comes to the issue of prostitution. Officially, under Islamic law, prostitution is strictly prohibited in Dubai, with severe penalties awaiting those caught. Offenders can face hefty fines and imprisonment, and if they are foreign nationals, they risk being deported from the United Arab Emirates. Despite these harsh laws, there is an ironic reality. Prostitution is widespread and surprisingly accessible in Dubai. In fact, Dubai has gained a reputation as a hub for prostitution and sex tourism in the Middle East, a stark contrast to its otherwise conservative image. So, how does prostitution operate in Dubai? The industry thrives in certain areas known as red light districts, specifically in neighborhoods like Deira and Bur Dubai. Here, brothels and massage parlors serve as fronts for the trade, with both women and men offering their services. The methods vary. When law enforcement is lax, some sex workers may openly solicit clients on the streets. However, more often, these services are advertised under the guise of massage services, which is why you might find business cards for massage services stuck on your car windshield or handed out in certain areas. The people involved in this trade come from all over, not just Dubai. Pimps and traffickers lure women from other countries with promises of a luxurious lifestyle in Dubai. This international influx creates a tiered system where the rates charged by sex workers vary depending on their nationality. The lowest rates typically range from 500 to 1,000 dirhams for Asian women. Meanwhile, Russian and European women command higher prices, usually between 1,200 and 1,500 dirhams. At the top end of the scale are Arab women, particularly those from Morocco and Lebanon, who can charge as much as 2,000 dirhams for a single encounter. But beneath these transactional details lies a more disturbing phenomenon known as the Dubai Porta Potty. This term refers to a grotesque and dehumanizing practice associated with sex parties hosted by some of Dubai's wealthiest elites. These events involve bizarre and often degrading fetishes where individuals, sometimes even high-profile influencers who are paid handsomely, are hired to perform shocking and perverse acts. The existence of such practices reveals a dark underbelly to Dubai's extravagant lifestyle, where wealth and power can buy almost anything, even at the cost of human dignity. Adding to the city's challenges is the persistent issue of drug trafficking. Despite stringent laws that prohibit all activities related to narcotics and psychotropic substances, smuggling and drug distribution continue to thrive. In fact, Dubai has earned a notorious reputation as a relatively safe haven for drug traffickers, a contradiction in a city that otherwise boasts of strict law enforcement and a polished, secure image. Alcohol consumption in Dubai is one of the city's most intriguing paradoxes. Despite the fact that the United Arab Emirates operates under Islamic law, which strictly prohibits alcohol, Dubai's nightlife tells a different story. Under Sharia, the religious legal system of Islam, even indirect association with alcohol is forbidden. Yet, in an ironic twist, The World Health Organization reports that alcohol consumption in the UAE is nearly double the global average, surpassing even traditionally heavy-drinking Western nations like the United Kingdom, Ireland, the United States, and Australia. To maintain a semblance of legality, Dubai has implemented strict regulations around alcohol consumption. Public drinking is prohibited, and alcohol is only allowed in licensed establishments such as restaurants, bars, and lounges. As a result of these regulations, Dubai is home to a vibrant bar and nightclub scene, though most of these venues are found within hotels to comply with the law. Some of Dubai's nightclubs have earned international acclaim, drawing in partygoers from around the world. Take Oak Dubai, for example, a nightclub inspired by New York's nightlife, featuring cutting-edge lighting designs. Located in the JW Marriott Marquis Business Bay, this club is a magnet for celebrities, adding to its allure. Another example is Billionaire Dubai, a luxurious club that has become a favorite destination for A-list celebrities seeking a glamorous night out. In addition to these upscale nightclubs, Dubai is also famous for its rooftop bars, which offer a more relaxed yet equally sophisticated experience. These venues allow patrons to enjoy stunning views of the city's skyline at dusk or night, all while sipping on a drink. One standout is Attico, an adults-only hotel that combines breathtaking views with elegant decor and a vibrant atmosphere, making it a top choice for those looking to experience Dubai's nightlife from a different perspective. Dubai's allure extends far beyond its renowned nightlife. The city also boasts a vibrant after-dark scene that includes much more than just nightclubs. One of the most popular options is to visit one of Dubai's many extravagant shopping malls, which often remain open late into the night. These malls are not merely places to shop, they are considered cities within a city. Designed to be destinations in themselves, Dubai's malls offer a wide range of activities that can easily fill an entire day. Visitors can meet friends, enjoy a meal, watch a movie, or even partake in more unique experiences. Some malls feature indoor ski slopes, ice skating rinks, massive aquariums, and expansive video game arcades, turning them into multifaceted entertainment hubs. Why has mall culture become so deeply ingrained in Dubai and the Middle East at large? The answer lies in the climate. Malls provide a much-needed escape from the intense heat, offering a comfortable, air-conditioned environment where people can relax and socialize. Among these, Dubai Mall stands out as one of the most luxurious and iconic shopping destinations in the world. Dubai Mall is a sprawling complex with over 1,200 retail stores, hundreds of dining options, an Olympic-sized ice skating rink, a massive aquarium, and even a vast Chinatown district. It's no surprise that Dubai Mall has been claimed to be the most visited tourist attraction globally, surpassing even Central Park and Times Square in New York City. If the nightlife on land doesn't suffice, Dubai offers another opulent experience, partying on a luxury yacht. These yacht parties are a unique way to enjoy Dubai's luxury, and they can make you forget that you are in a conservative Islamic country. Why? Because aboard these yachts, guests are treated to nightclubs, bars, and lounges where they can dance the night away, often accompanied by exotic dancers. Companies like Party Cruise Dubai provide these lavish experiences, offering yacht and boat rentals in the serene waters of Dubai Marina. One of the most coveted options for a night out on the water is the Lotus Mega Yacht. This iconic symbol of Dubai's luxury yachting scene features expansive decks, luxurious interiors, and top-notch amenities. The Lotus Mega Yacht is the epitome of extravagance, making it the most desirable choice for anyone looking to throw a party on the sea in Dubai. Dubai stands as the most westernized city in the Middle East, yet it remains deeply rooted in Islamic traditions. The city's current identity is a remarkable blend of traditional Arab, Islamic influences and modernity, creating a unique and dynamic societal landscape. You can see Dubai's Islamic roots in its daily life, architecture, and cultural practices, while its status as a global metropolis brings a cosmopolitan flair that seamlessly coexists with traditional values. For those who prefer to steer clear of the city's vibrant nightlife and alcohol, Dubai offers a rich array of alternative experiences, including culinary adventures. Whether you're a local or a visitor looking for a different kind of night out, Dubai's food scene has something special for everyone. One of the liveliest areas for dining is downtown Dubai, a bustling district that connects iconic landmarks like the Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa. This area not only offers stunning views, but it's also home to a plethora of dining options that stay open late into the night. As you stroll through these lively streets, you might notice that many of the people around you are expats or tourists. Unsurprising, given that nearly 90% of Dubai's population consists of non-locals. And while the attire might be more relaxed, with many women dressed in open Western-style clothing, the diversity and vibrancy of the crowd truly capture the essence of Dubai. When it comes to unique dining experiences, Dubai offers some truly unforgettable options. For instance, you can have dinner in the sky, one of Dubai's most extraordinary culinary attractions. Here, you'll be seated 50 meters above the ground, with the entire city spread out beneath you. This sky-high dining experience is a must for thrill seekers and food lovers alike. Alternatively, you might choose to dine underwater at one of Dubai's exclusive underwater restaurants, where you can enjoy gourmet meals while surrounded by the mesmerizing marine life. As you explore Dubai's vibrant nighttime offerings, you won't have to worry about getting around, as transportation in the city operates 24 hours a day. Dubai's extensive public transportation system includes over 1,500 air-conditioned buses, making it easy and affordable to travel around the city even late at night. For longer journeys, you can hop on the city's rapid transit system, which conveniently connects you to Dubai's major attractions. Each metro station is thoughtfully designed with special areas for women, the elderly, and people with disabilities, ensuring a comfortable and safe travel experience for everyone. Dubai also offers two unique rail options, the Dubai Tram and the Palm Jumeirah monorail. The Dubai Tram runs from the walk at Jumeirah Beach Residence to Al Sufu, providing a scenic route along some of the city's most popular destinations. Meanwhile, the Palm Jumeirah monorail stretches along the trunk of the iconic man-made island to Al Sufu, offering breathtaking views as you travel.